In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new pipeline in Pipedrive. A pipeline in Pipedrive is the visual roadmap your deals follow from first contact to completion. Setting it up thoughtfully helps your team stay organized, forecast revenue, and focus on the right actions at the right time. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can create a clear, effective pipeline that matches your sales workflow. Start by heading to the Deals area from the main menu. This is where you'll see your boards and manage how deals move through your process. Inside Deals, open the Pipeline section. Think of this as your control room for creating and customizing the different pipelines you use for various products, teams, or sales motions. Next, click the plus Add Pipeline button. This opens a simple setup view where you'll define the core structure. The first thing you'll do is enter a pipeline name. Choose a name that is specific and instantly meaningful to your team. For example, name it after the business unit, the market segment, or the sales motion it supports. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented so there's no confusion later. Now add stages for the pipeline. Each stage should represent a concrete milestone in your sales process, something you can clearly say has happened. Aim for a sequence that mirrors how deals naturally progress. For example, you might use names like new lead, contacted, qualified, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and negotiation. Keep the number of stages manageable so the board stays readable, and your team can quickly identify where to focus. As you add stages, think about the exit criteria for each one. What exactly must be true for a deal to move forward? This clarity prevents bottlenecks and keeps deals flowing smoothly. Arrange the stages in the precise order your deals typically move, from earliest activity to the final close. When you're satisfied with the name and stages, click Save. Pipedrive will create your new pipeline and display it on a board view so you can immediately see how deals will travel from left to right. From here, it's easy to switch between pipelines using the pipeline selector at the top of the deals view, ensuring each team or process has its own clean workspace. That's it. You've set up a new pipeline by navigating to Deals and Pipelines, adding a pipeline, naming it clearly, defining meaningful stages, and saving your work. With a well-structured pipeline in place, you're ready to manage deals with more focus and confidence.